I'm going to show you guys how to get this hair with no heat, no damage, and it looks like you spent all day on your hair.
When you cut off someone from your life, don't worry about what they say about you. Because the truth is, they're never going to tell people the full story. They're only going to tell them the part that makes you look bad and them look good.
So as you can see, I just took my braids down. I slept in them. That's why they look all crazy. This is Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. And I just take it into my hands, emulsify it, and then mostly add the majority to the bottom of the hair. And then take the rest up to the top. And it will take down the frizz. And it will make, you see how much I have? It will make the curls look formed and beautiful, like you stayed up all night or spent all day doing your curls. Look at that. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And this is the finished look. Look at that. Look how beautiful these curls turned out. But I want you to know that those braids that I slept in, I did very, very tiny sections, and I did it very tight. And this is the end result. I think it's beautiful. And this is amazing to make it not look puffy, as it does not. And it's very shiny as well.